guys to the HTML and CSS project series. In this series, we will be creating multiple HTML and CSS project, no JavaScript involved. Talking about this tutorial, this will be the part 1 of series and we will be creating the fashion collection project. Means this will be the page and here we will be having the banner, the heading written, then some text written here, and then we will be having the three different section wherein the urban explorer and classic revival and bold and beauty. And when you hover on it, there will be a slider from the bottom and it will give the title and some short description. So that is what we are going to create in this tutorial. What I'll do, I'll close this and we will start with the HTML and CSS. So what I'll do, I will close this, I will close this also, and I will go to the YouTube, and here in HTML CSS I will create one folder. This will be HTML CSS weekend projects maybe, yeah. And here again I will create one more folder. This will be winter fashion. I will open it and I will open it with code. Now first thing first, I will create index.html, exclamation mark, enter. We will get the boilerplate. Here we will be having the header. The header will have a class of hero. We will be having the class of hero hyphen text. Inside this we will be having the h1 and another will be p tag. Here it will be the winter collection 2025, and here it will be text discover the elegance of the season. Save it, come outside this header and create one section. The section will have a class of look book, and inside the section we will be having another div look book hyphen item. Inside this we will be having the image src, so you can remove this, and here you have to add the image. So what I'll do, I will add the image. I already have the image. I will create the folder called images, and here I'll add the link in a description for all the images that I have. You can get it from there. You can get this image and here do the reveal in file explorer and double click and paste it here. Now you'll get the image here. What you have to do here, the image src, right? This will be images look 3, come outside the image, and here we will be having the overlay, class overlay. Then we will be having the h2 urban explorer, p tag. Now this will be street inspired looks for everyday wear. Same way we have to copy it 3 more times. So just get this and copy it two more times, sorry. This will be the lookbook 2 and this will be the lookbook 4, right? We have to remove it, and this will be classic revival. Add the p tag, timeless designs. I'm just adding this, random description, so you don't know it doesn't matches with the clothes that I have added, right? For modern fashion, save it. Now the last one will be bold and beautiful. Beautiful. And here we will be having the vibrant colors and the striking patterns. Save it. After this section, we will be having the footer, right? So footer, and there will be a P, the copyright sign, and 2025 fashion brand designed by Fun and Learn. Let's save it. And I guess we are done with the HTML part. I will, open with live server. So this is how it looks. There is no CSS added, and also we don't have the banner. So we have to work for that now. Now here, what I'll do, I will create the style dot CSS, and we will start with the CSS now. Here it will be body and HTML. We will be having margin 0, padding will be 0, font family Arial. You can remove the Helvetica. We will be styling the hero, which is here. So this, the height will be 100 VH. Background will be having the URL. So this will be images. Look 1. Display will be flex. Align items center. Justify content center. Color will be white. Text align center. I'll save it. What I'll do, I will add the CSS here. I'll save it and let's see how our page looks. So here we have the background image, but we have to style this as well. So what I'll do, I will again go to the CSS, and here now we have to style our hero text and h1 specifically. So this we have to style now. So I'll just copy it and I will paste it here and remove it. And now font size will be 4 rem, margin will be 0, text shadow will be 4 pixels, 4 pixels, 12 pixels, RGBA 0.9, some black color. Same way we have to style the p tag. So font size will be 1.5 rem. Text shadow, you can just get this same thing, you can paste it here. This will be the same, or you can just change it. 3 pixels, 10. Save it, and now I will scroll it down. Now we have to style the lookbook, right? So this one, display grid, grid template columns will be repeat auto hyphen fit min max round bracket 300 pixels comma 1 fr, and here there will be a gap of 20 pixels from top, bottom, left, right, from everywhere, and padding will be 50 pixels and 20 pixels top and bottom, 20 to the left and right. And now if you will see, this is how we are getting the lookbook container. So each of this column is of 300 pixels. So that is what we have done. Also we have the padding and the gap of 20 pixels uh, to this side and this side. Now what we have to do, we have to style the lookbook items. So this and this will be position relative and overflow hidden. Now again we will be working with the image, right? So image width will be 100%, height will be auto, display block, max height will be 500 pixels, right? If you go now, this is how it looks. We have the height of 500 pixels and the width is 100%, means whatever we have given will be 100% of that. Now we have to work on the overlay, means we have this, when we hover on it should slide it from the bottom, so that we have to do. So style, just copy the overlay from here. Position will be absolute, bottom will be 0, background color will be RGB a 0.5, color will be white, the text color, width will be 100%, means whatever size of image we have it will cover all like this. And now we will be having padding 20 pixels, box sizzling, border box, transform, translate y, this will be 100%, transition, transform 0.3 seconds is in out, right? Now we have the lookbook item. When you hover on it, the overlay, so overlay we translate y to 0%. Now if you will see, this is how it will look. This looks good. Now we have to just style our footer, just no, not much, but just this much of CSS. Text align will be center, padding will be 20 pixels, background will be 333, some black shade, color will be white. That's it. And now if we will see our project, this is how it looks. We have the banner, we have the label or the heading written here, then we have this short uh, text available, discover the elegance of the season, then we have the all three section available. We have wrote the this all code for this lookbook. When we hover on it, we are getting the slider from the bottom, the overlay, same way for this and for everything. Then we have the footer. So that was it for the part one winter collection project. I hope you enjoyed this project tutorial, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with part two or another part of holiday project series. Thank you and bye.